I worked for this company for 10 years, going on 11 years. They do not provide sick days. I have new management the last 2 or 3 years. I've had 2 ex-employers. They allowed us to use our vacation days for sick days. The company does not provide sick days, so what can we do about that?
How many vacation days do you get? Does it depend on how long you've worked
You get a week.
1 week per year.
I'm sorry?
1 week per year.
Correct.
Okay.
Well, I've been there, I think after like 5 years you get 2 weeks.
Okay.
Or 7 years you get 2 weeks. So I get 2 weeks now.
All right, Teresa, thanks for calling. Are companies required to give you paid sick days?
Well, they're really not. Now, if they have a certain number of employees and the sickness falls into a certain category, you are sometimes eligible for what we call the Family Medical Leave Act. That usually affects employers that have more than 50 employees, and you're entitled up to 12 weeks a year of protected leave. Now, that's unpaid, but if you have to go care for a child that's in the hospital from an accident for 2 or 3 weeks, or you have a child or something like that, you are protected for that 12-week period. It doesn't have to be all at once. You can take a day this week and 2 days next week, and it can be kind of a rolling, kind of intermittent leave. But there are some protections there. But as far as requiring them to give you so many sick days, there's really no requirement for that. The fact that they let you use your vacation days for that, I guess it's just their policy.
I guess you're not even required to give vacation time.
You're probably not required to.
But
you
I don't know
have to pay them if they work, more than 40 hours in a week. But probably not required to give vacation time.
Sick days can be abused. I've worked with people, and you probably have too, that if you get sick 10 sick days a year, guess how many they're off sick? 10 almost
use
every
them or
time.
lose them.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. All right. Do we have time for an email question? If we do, let's go to one of our email questions. Let me get my assistant here. Can we put it up on the screen here? This is from Stephanie. Can I be fired for being sick? That's tying into that question we just had. I have cancer and need treatments, but I still want to work. Can Stephanie get fired for that?
Well, it really it depends on how many employees that they have. Again, the Family Medical Leave Act covers that situation. Sometimes the Americans with Disabilities Act covers that situation. So we'd really want to talk to the employee to see how many employees that they have, and see if we can get her under one of those statutes to give her some protection.